Hey everybody, it's Richard here with an update to Dismissal Manager. In order to maintain my app's verification with Google, I needed to change the way it works to auto-archive the dismissal data each day. So instead of having a toggle switch here that you could turn on, instead we'll have to do this in a slightly different way, but we'll achieve the exact same outcome. So this video is to walk you through how to enable a time-driven trigger to auto-clear your dismissal data at a time that you decide. So step one is to click on the three dots, and you're going to see a link to an app script file. And there will also be instructions commented out in this code. But essentially what we're going to do is we're going to take this function right here. We're going to copy that. And we'll come to our Dismissal Manager Google Sheet and we'll click Extensions, App Script. And then we're just going to paste it in here. And then you can give it any name you want. Maybe you just want to call it Auto Clear. And now this script is only connected to that Google Sheet. People like to use the word bound. So this is a script that's bound to this Google Sheet. So what I like to do is test it to make sure that it does what it's supposed to do before I set a trigger for it. So notice here I have some dismissal data, and we want to go ahead and try our auto clear script. We'll click Run. You will have to authorize permissions for this to run. And again, this is just on your Google Sheet. None of this data is coming to me because this is a script that you would put on your own Google Sheet. And once we approve it, it will execute. And if we go back to our sheet, we will see that the dismissal data has been cleared. So once we confirm functionality, then based on our instructions, right, we can add a time-driven trigger to clear it each evening. So the way you do that is you click on this little alarm clock looking icon. We hit triggers. We're going to add a new trigger. That's the name of the function, archive sheet. We want to do a time-driven trigger, most likely a day timer. And then from here, you can pick the time of day that you want it to run. So if you want it to run between 9 p.m. and 10 p.m., you can save that. Again, you'll need to authorize the trigger to basically execute the function when you're not present. Allow. And there you have it. You'll see it listed here. And this will run every day of the week around that time that you've listed in your time-driven trigger. So I hope that helps, and thanks for watching. Bye.